Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Lexus GX460 battery. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative terminal first. Remove the terminal clamps and hold down hardware, then lift out the old battery carefully. Clean corrosion with a baking soda and water paste, inspect cables for damage, and apply a dielectric grease to terminals. Install the new battery securely and reconnect positive then negative, then test electrical systems. Gather tools like gloves, eye protection, a wrench set, and a battery terminal puller if needed. Locate the battery under the hood and remove any covers or braces. Label cables and take a phone photo to remember connections. Loosen the negative clamp first, then the positive, and remove hold-down hardware. Lift the battery straight up using both hands and a good grip to avoid spilling acid. Dispose old battery responsibly at a recycling center. Clean the tray and terminals before installing the new battery and ensure the replacement matches voltage and dimensions. Place the battery in its tray, secure the hold down, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Tighten clamps snugly, but avoid over-torquing. Start the engine to verify charging and check lights, radio, and memory settings. Reset any systems as needed and perform a short test drive to confirm everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.